Hi everyone, welcome. Literally raining right now, let me show you. Not really the best mood to be filming, but here we are. What I'm gonna be sharing with you is a day in my life, I guess. Like focusing on what I eat in a day, living in London, and on a student budget. This is gonna be interesting because obviously it's London, everything's pricey, but we'll have to work with what we have. This afternoon I was kind of planning to make some bread and butter pudding. I also plan on giving some to my friends, so probably gonna film that too. For dinner I am planning to have some good old-fashioned student budget type dinner. Indomie, which is also like miso, fried instant noodles with some tofu and vegetables. So very exciting for today. I don't know how interesting this video is gonna be, but great. Okay, there's sun again. Let's go get some groceries. You're gonna join me on this journey. Let's go. Also, of course, every student has the reusable bags that they get for free during like the first week of uni. So I got this random, I have no idea where I got this bag, but I'm just gonna use this because it's convenient. Clean hands. Now let's show you guys what I got. Off camera I kind of sanitized the things that I bought. Usually I get my groceries from Lidl. It's a cheaper alternative, I would say. Please just go for groceries like once a week. I hope you guys enjoy whatever I'm making. I hope it turns out well. So first thing I got, mushrooms. Done. I got my favorite type of tofu. And then, oh my god, I'm literally sweating. I'm so sorry. This is my favorite. So basically you can make your own custard. I've done that before, but I don't know, this just tastes really good, and I can only find them in Sainsbury's. But you can do it yourself. As a student, we don't necessarily have a lot of time, so I got this Madagascan vanilla custard. So good, so good. This is gonna be like the custard sauce for my bread and butter pudding that I'm gonna be making later on. I have some double cream, but it's thickened, so it's like the thick kind of double cream. This is also for the bread and butter pudding because I just realized that double cream is kind of better than single cream. I've tested both out before and the results are better with like thicker kinds of cream, which is why I got this one. And also some mixed veggies, also for the purpose of this video. I got them in the packet because yeah, it's just to show you guys if you guys want something that's easy to prep, easy, already in a bag kind of thing. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need something like this. You can use any other pan that's suitable for the oven as well. And then what you're gonna do is get some bread. The staler the better, to be honest, but make sure they're good slices of bread. And then you just cut them into squares. People like them to be irregular. I personally like them to be squares, so it depends on what you like. And then you can start putting them in. Okay, for coffee, I personally use a mocha pot. If you don't have one, you can just get some espresso yourself. If you have a coffee machine, that would be great. If not, I guess you can use instant, but I personally like using a mocha pot. So I'm gonna show you how I make it. Okay, first you're gonna wanna insert your coffee in the mocha pot. Just unscrew it like that. This is the ground coffee I'm using right now. I do have the Emma Chamberlain one, but I'm saving that for a special occasion. taste test it here. Hi, Bria.
Hi.
Taste test.
Feeling a lot of pressure now.
Actually, if it's crap, just be honest. With the custard.
Yeah. Actually, so good.
Really? Oh, it's finished. Woo! So, how would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Oh my god.
11 out of 10.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
This is coming
so
from
good.
someone who hated bread and butter pudding and custard. Okay. Okay, so for tonight's dinner, I'm gonna be making like an Indomie stir fry kind of situation. So here you're gonna need some chopped up mushrooms and some veggies. And then later on we're gonna add some of our fried tofu. And here we have our Indomie kind of cooking over there. Okay, that's all I guess for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try it out and it works well for you. I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye!